Good evening, dear colleagues. Good evening, everybody. My name is Georgiou. I am from Cyprus, and I would like to share some memories with you, taking the opportunity of celebrating now 10 years of the voting of the declaration on the 14th of June 2012. Of the European Cardiac Arrest Awareness Week declaration, voted by 396 parliamentarians. So I would like to being excused if I remember, if I forgot to say some names on my memory and my recording. The idea was conceived back in 2011 when we had the chance here in my country saving the husband of a member of the European Parliament, Mrs. Antigoni Papadopoulou. So I knew her personally. I went and talked to her, and I asked her, based on this, we would like your help to take it on the European level and spread our word about awareing people and saving lives on this. So wrote the declaration and taken to the board of directors of the European Resuscitation Council. Some changes were done and taken to Mrs. Antigoni Papadopoulou. Mrs. Antigoni Papadopoulou found some other allies and other MEPs from other countries to help her with the campaign. ERC helped with the campaign by sending representatives to the Parliament of Strasbourg and Brussels, and trying to sharing leaflets and the idea about this with other MEPs. Of course, very important help was coming from the National Resuscitation Councils, and I do remember the support of the chairwoman of the ERC, Marit Karsten. I do remember the enthusiasm by my colleague Federico Semeraro from Italy, my colleague Andy Lockie from the UK, Janusz Andres from Poland, Bert Bettinger from Germany, very enthusiastic to convince their MEPs to vote for this. So nothing could have happened if not a teamwork was in place. So 396 MEPs voted. The declaration was back then calling for the member states to establish an awareness week, calling the member states to adopt programs for public access defibrillators, and knowing back then that this was going to save more lives. The impact that had was huge, and since 2013 the European Resuscitation Council declared the 16th of October as the European Restart the Heart Day, and every year with different motto, every year to call people to get trained and be aware. The most important motto, or which I remember, was the first one, which actually repeated in a few years later on 2013, was the children saving lives. And there was an event in the European Parliament when two students from Germany came, that one of them saved the life of another, and we were having the European Commissioner of Health with us, and the impact that European Restart the Heart Day traveled so fast, not only in Europe and training millions of people, but now we are so proud of it that it is adopted by the International Liaison Committee of Resuscitation with the very important help of Bert Bettinger and Andy Lockie, taking it up to that level. And now it is the word to Restart the Heart Day. So resuscitation councils from all over the world now taking this opportunity to train and aware a lot of people and save more and more lives on this. So we are so proud to remember 10 years after that, how successful all the effort of the board and the national councils of ERC resulted as having a world Restart the Heart Day and a huge impact. Thank you so much.